In this quick video, I will show you how to make iPhone vibrate in silent mode. Go to your iPhone settings app and now scroll down a little bit and tap on sounds and haptics. And here tap on haptics. So as you can see, currently selected never play. So to make our iPhone vibrate in silent mode, here we have to select play in silent mode. And now on, whenever your iPhone is in silent mode, when you receive an incoming call, your iPhone will vibrate. And now to make vibrate in silent for a specific app, for example your message app, here's how to do it. Go to notification center and here scroll down and just open the message app, and now tap on sounds, and here tap on haptic, and here you have to select a haptic from here. Don't select none. If you select none, then your message app won't vibrate in silent mode. So select vibration from here and go back from here. And if you want to make vibrate in silent mode for your phone app, then scroll down in this notification settings, open phone app, same way tap on sounds, tap on haptics, and make sure to select a haptic from here. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.